Hey guys, it's Morgan and the dogs, and today we're starting our series of trying out weird dog stuff. This is not sponsored, just our personal opinions and experiences. This toy is called the Crawling Crab. It was around $14 on Amazon, and apparently is an interactive toy geared towards pets and children. First thoughts, dogs are sniffing it. They don't seem overly thrilled, but they're at least interested. I will say it does look a little cursed, but we'll ignore that and try to figure out how to turn this on because apparently it moves. Phoebe looking disturbed as always. Let's see what the dogs think. Overall, Archie seemed interested in it, maybe a little confused. Phoebe seemed a little scared of it, and I will say the sound it makes is pretty jarring. Probably not for pets that are sensitive to sound. Would I recommend it? Meh, I'm not sure how bite-proof it is. So I don't know, let me know down below in the comments what your dog would think and let us know what other dog stuff you want us to review. Bye!